Colorado Parks and Wildlife says an avian virus is causing a significant die-off of an invasive species in the lower Arkansas River Valley near La Junta and Rocky Ford. CPW said officers in the region are receiving a high volume of calls about hundreds of non-native Eurasian collared doves that have died recently. CPW sent 2 dead doves tested positive for avian paramoxavirus. One, it's different from the influenza viruses that have circulated in recent years, and humans generally are not affected by it. CPW said that it's a good idea to clean your backyard bird feeders weekly if you are concerned about attracting sick wild birds.